Children, welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. So, my dear children, in previous class, we have studied about describing words, means adjectives. Last class, we have studied about describing words or adjectives. So, today, we learn about comparison. From the grammar book, lesson 10. 10th lesson from the grammar book, comparisons. Okay, children? So, open your grammar book, page number 32. Open grammar book, page number 32. Comparisons. What are comparisons? The comparative form of an adjective is commonly used to compare two people, things, or states. When you want to say that one thing has a larger or smaller amount of quality than another. If the second part of the comparison is mentioned, it follows then. Okay, children? Now we look into the grammar book. See, comparison of adjectives. Concentrate properly, listen it carefully. Okay, comparison of adjectives. The baby giraffe, here the examples. See children, see the picture. The baby giraffe is tall, the mother giraffe is tall, the father giraffe is tall, but they do not have same height. To show the difference of height, we use degree of adjectives for comparison. We say the baby giraffe is tall, the mother giraffe is taller than the baby giraffe, the father giraffe is the tallest among all. This is known as comparative adjective. We add er. We add er when we compare two things. When we compare two things, we add er. Okay. For example, see this car is bigger than that car. Like that. This pencil is bigger than this pencil. This box is smaller than that box. Like that. Er. When we compare two things, we add er. Okay. Now see next example, we add est when we compare many things. When we add est, when we compare many things. If we compare two things, we add er. If we compare many things, we add est. Okay. See the examples here, children. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Few more examples are there. Next page. See children. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. We compare many things. We add est. Means many means more than two. Okay. If we compare only two things means we add er. Okay. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Bright, brighter, brightest. See next page. Choose the correct option. Exercise 1. Choose the correct option. The feather is dash than the stone. This is suitable option we have to write in the blank. Okay, children? The feather is dash than the stone. The feather is lighter than the stone. First example is already done for you. Now see second example. The ice is dash than the water. So what is the suitable word here? Colder. No? The ice is colder than the water. Right there in the blank, colder. The ice is colder than the water. Okay. Now see third one. The truck is dash than the car. The truck is dash than the car. See the picture here. The truck is bigger than the car. See the picture here. The truck is bigger than the car, right? Bigger. Fourth one, the basketball is dash than the cricket ball. The basketball is dash than the cricket ball. The basketball is bigger than the cricket ball. See here children, here all the examples, all the blanks ER only. All these words are in ER only. Why? Because only only two pictures are there. No, we are comparing between only two. Okay, if we compare more than two means we have to write EST. So we are comparing here only two things here. No, that's why we are writing here ER. Even examples are though also there ER only. Okay. See, the basketball is bigger than the cricket ball. The vegetable knife is dash than the butter knife. The vegetable knife is sharper than the butter knife. Sharper. Okay. Now see children, exercise 2. Look at the pictures and write the given adjective in the correct form. See, one is done for you. Small, smaller, smallest. Next, write down thick, thicker, thickest. Thicker, Thicker, thicker. Thickest, Thickest, thickest. Okay. If you compare two things, we have to write ER. If you compare more than two, we should write EST. Okay. Now see here, old, older, oldest, older, oldest. OLDER, older, OLDEST, oldest. See fourth one, fast, faster, fastest. FASTER, faster, fastest. FASTEST, fastest. Okay. Fast, faster, fastest. Small, smaller, smallest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Old, older, oldest. Fast, faster, fastest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Observe it carefully. Double T we wrote here. Why we wrote double T? See hot spelling there. HOT. O vowel, T consonant, vowel plus consonant. If the word ends with vowel and consonant, double letters we should write. Okay. Hot, hotter, hottest. Same here. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Why we wrote double N? Because here also thin spelling. Thin, thin. I vowel N consonant. The word ends with vowel and consonant. Should be written double letters. Okay. Thinner, thinnest. Thinner. Thinner. Thinnest. Thinnest. Okay. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Strong, stronger, stronger, stronger. Strongest, strongest, strongest. Okay. Stronger, strongest. Okay, children. Strong, stronger, strongest. Strong means strong. Little stronger. Strongest, more stronger. Okay, more. More stronger means strongest. Okay. These are all comparisons. Okay. I think you understood, children. What are comparisons? Up to here only, children. This comparisons lesson. Again, learn it properly. Okay. These are comparisons. Okay. Next class again. We'll move to textbook lesson. Okay. Get ready with the textbook in next class, children. Today you'll learn about the comparisons. Okay. Again, you revise it once again from the grammar book. Learn it properly. Okay. Here we end this class. Take care, children. Be happy. God bless you all. Thank you.